Hi, I'm Charlie Holmes, Product Manager for Avery Industrial Labels. If your workplace has the potential to create risks for your workers, it's vitally important that you provide safety warnings to minimise danger. The simplest and best way to ensure a safe worksite is to position signs so that hazards are clearly visible and dangerous materials are labelled. Avery Industrial Range labels are reliable, durable and fit for purpose. Avery put these labels through stringent durability tests so they can withstand the rigours of tough environments, dangerous weather, rough handling and corrosive chemicals much more effectively than paper labels and signs. These labels will satisfy all your needs, from dangerous chemical labelling and asset management to safety and warning signs. With our free design and print online, you can create and print your own labels and signs in minutes, saving you time and money. It's a quick and effective way to make sure your workplace is safe.